Oh, don't feel bad. He's crying because he ran out of blackheads. Don't worry, our little caveman friend's got plenty to share. There's enough ingrown hairs here to make a sweater. Maybe a nice face mask will help clear things up. Ooh, everyone's breaking out today. Are pimples contagious? Hey, I don't think those are supposed to be in there. I know where to put them. Let's add soap, foam, powders. No, not the bathroom sink, just everything under it. Yeah, that should be enough. Now just add water. Looks like the gang's all here. This toilet has a special surprise inside. Slime. Oh, it's just so gloppy and gooey. But don't forget, you can even blow it up into big bubbles. Let's see how big you can make it. Of course, popping is pretty fun too. Wow, Mr. Toilet's got another surprise for us. He deserves a little something, like a new wardrobe, a nice jacket, and some warm tights for your seat. Add a little hole for some breathing room. He'll be walking tall with these boots. And I think we'll grow accustomed to this face. Oh, look, I guess you made a new friend. People really need to start looking where they sit around here. Hey, I think there's something stuck inside the can. It's a doll's head. And just in time for our next craft, too. She's our new handy-dandy silicone dispenser. With the help of our toys, we've got a bunch of new buttons. And now we've got some brand new friends. You've earned yourself a treat. Didn't need any licks to reach that center. Oh, good. We'll need that stick to make some Bloonies. Wow. Why don't we make a bunch of these and stick them all together? What is it? An elephant? Well, whatever it is, it's a flat one now. Oh. You know, we could use a few spare parts. Hey, you're nobody till somebody loves you. I'm really digging this new look for her. You just need some color. Hold your breath. Good thing this guy's got lashes to spare. But what's the point of eyelashes without some eyes? Just one touch, and you'll get a brand new toy. A bubble pig. Fill it up with some solution. Just put his little cap back on and watch the show. Oh, look at him go. He's like a little steam engine. Ready for your pedicure? We're gonna go all out. Let's add candy. But why stop there? Let's add some familiar faces, too. What toy should we play with next? Oh, can we borrow some tail feathers? Now add a plastic bottle, some paint, and a brown balloon. Blow it up, and Tom Turkey's here to visit. And look at what his eyes can do. Wow, that flamingo's sure got a lot of neck. You know, it would make for a perfect spigot. Looks like our little flower's all ready to sprout. Wow, it's like Thumbelina all over again. Happy birthday! Oh, she comes complete with her own accessories. Hey, Grandpa's been looking all over for those. Better start brushing if you want to keep your teeth too. I've heard of bubblegum flavored, but nothing like this. Who needs pearly whites when you've got blue lips? And speaking of blue, guess who's here? It's a lot of fun decorating Easter eggs, but they're not the only food you can make over. But if you think the food looks good, wait until you taste it. When it comes to French toast or egg in a hole, why not both? And add candy, because candy. Oh, that reminds me, I need to mow the lawn. Oh, so that's where you left your new wig. You know, all this white just screams blank canvas. And it looks like these tattoos go on more than just skin. I'm starting to think this guy likes dogs. Call it a hunch. Now give us a kiss. It's just the right thing to perk up those eyes. Excuse us, we just need to borrow your pet unicorn. Now he can finally talk. Oh, guess he had a lot to say. We've got just the thing to fill you up. Magic snow and water. Maybe you bit off more than you could chew. That sandwich looks a little too fresh. Besides, it's a lot more fun to squish it. Wait a minute. I think there's something inside. We'll just need a little operation and voila! Aw, it's a puppy. Can we keep her? Oh, a water ball. I think we need to blow it up. Yeah, use that thing in your shirt pocket. Good idea. Use a hose. I mean, the thing has water in its name after all. Wow, just look at all that jiggle. Be careful not to pop it or anything. Let's see if it can fit inside this container. I wonder what he's planning to do. Yes! Things are about to hit the ground. Let's hope it doesn't freeze in midair. What's next? Wow. Ha, good idea. A birthday wouldn't be complete without balloons. What's he planning? Well, I guess when it comes to unicorns, go big or go home. Let's find something to fill it up with. Better bite it to make sure it's not wood. Make sure to use a lot of colors. Nothing goes better with unicorns than rainbows. Don't forget the stuff it comes with, like all that glitter. Oh, and soda? Why are these people wasting perfectly good junk food? What else can we add? Wow. Yeah, great idea. Trap a perfectly working device inside an inflated toy. Wow, you'd never guess that this thing used to be a unicorn. Uh-oh, run! And what's next? Spray on hair color? Yeah, hair colors show up better on lighter hair. Always keep a wig handy. Green? Oh, well, everyone will think you just went swimming. Good idea adding a touch of blue. Chlorine doesn't do that. Now for some heat. Wow, the whole thing's turning blue!
Whoa!
But let's try some cool air next. And now it's changing back to green. What else did you get, birthday boy? Ah, the classic pairing of a crab and an elephant. Time to add some soap. It's time to crank it up! Wow, the bubbles are coming! You know what this means? It's time to take a bath. And the best part is, we're not running out of bubbles anytime. Rain your bubbles down upon all the residents of Bathlandia! And we're in water, so this thing should be pretty easy to clean. Let's see what's up next. Ah yes, the one thing that clocks have always needed. A pair of wheels. Alternatively, it's like a toy car that always tells you the time. Well, let's see how it competes with all of your other alarm clocks. Yeah, if you accidentally knock it off, I guess it lands on its feet. Or, well, its wheels. And you get a little exercise before you start your morning routine. How thoughtful. Maybe a little too thoughtful. Anyway, let's see what's next. Oh, something for your skin? Now, this kind of feels like getting deodorant as a present. Is someone implying something? Still, wow, it took care of that tattoo without expensive surgery. I call that a good deal.
Ooh.
You gotta love this guy's self-esteem. Oh wow, this girl needs to buy patches in bulk. Ah, that's just embarrassing. I mean, just one unicorn tattoo? At least aim for 2. But now we can add something really cool, like a leprechaun or a Kermit the Frog. Oh look, a gift box with a cord. How thoughtful. Wow, this thing must come from a really big keyboard. Must be pretty soft, too. Well, on the plus side, it works. If only you had all the other giant buttons. This is everything we've ever dreamt of. Get the pie. Hope it's a good flavor at least. I wonder if they make a version that's just F11. That key's so underappreciated. A clean bot? Well, it sure looks clean, so at least it lives up to its name. Oh, even better. It helps clean surfaces from all those pesky germs. And real germs probably aren't as cute and colorful as these ones either.
Wow.
Great idea. Bring it under the bed. Probably spook all those monsters. On second thought, it looks like we're gonna be the ones going bump in the night. Well, it's nice to see Sleeping Beauty made a friend. Ah, just what every birthday boy needs. Clothes. But something tells me that these trunks have some tricks up their sleeve. It's the hairspray all over again. It changes color. Cold makes it darker. And heat makes it lighter. Now you can dance the night away in your magic pants. No wonder he never puts on those glasses. They fog up just like that. At least this wipe does its job. Wow, it even stays unfogged. Like magic. Or maybe that mug's pulling a fast one on us. Let's try it on this mirror. And look, you can use it to draw shapes out of thin air. Or would you call this thick air? Well, that was definitely a birthday to remember. Catch you next time.